Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to set different screen orientations for different apps in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and just click on this modes and routines, and now just click on this discover. Just scroll down below. I will see here auto rotate option, just click on it. Now here you can see app open. So by default the YouTube app is selected, so you can click on it. Now you can add multiple applications here at the same time if you want. Say Chrome, click on done. So now you can see screen orientations. So it's showing auto rotate, just click on it. So you will get here three options: auto rotate, portrait and landscape, and below there are more options: rotate to landscape mode, in the home screen, lock screen, video call screen, whichever you want. You can disable it also. So I want this to be in the landscape, so I'm selecting in the landscape. Click on done, click on save. Now it's being saved. You can click on this routines. You can see here. So now let us try to open the YouTube as well as the Chrome and check if it auto rotates or not. So let me click on the YouTube application. So now you can see here the screen orientation has been automatically set to landscape once I open the YouTube application, and if I minimize it again, it will be restored back to the portrait mode. Say if you want to add some application in the portrait mode, then you can just click on this plus icon and click on this add what will trigger this routine. Now just search for app open, and now you will see the option. Just click on it. Now select the application which you want to add here. Say calculator. You can add more application here if you wish. Click on done. Now below here you will see add what this routine will do. Just click on it. Now just select the screen orientations, or if you don't see screen orientation, then you can just search for screen orientation option and just select it. And now whether you want it to be in the portrait or landscape, you can just select it. So I want it in the portrait mode, so I'll just select the portrait and click on done. And after that just click on this save. Now you can add your respective icons or any routine name here. Click on done. And now you can see here. So now if you open the calculator app, it will always be in the portrait screen orientations. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily set different screen orientations for different apps in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.